Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full 2025 guide on how to use Notion for tracking your video game progress. The first thing you need to do is set up your account on Notion. Head over to their website and follow the sign-up instructions. It's as simple as entering your email, creating a password, and you're all set. Now, the reason we do this is because Notion is the platform where we'll be tracking our progress, and it's crucial to have an account to start with. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page. In your workspace, click the plus New Page button. Label it Video Game Progress or something that works for you. This helps us because it gives us a dedicated space to keep track of all our game data. Next up, we'll design our progress tracker. Let's create a table by clicking the plus Add a Block button and selecting the Table option. Here you can add columns such as game name, hours played, progress, notes, and any other parameters you want to track. The reason we do this is to organize all our gaming data in one place, making it easy to analyze our progress at a glance. Moving on, let's fill in our table. Click on the plus New button at the top of your table to start adding entries. For each game you're playing, enter the relevant data in each column. Let me explain why this matters. By regularly updating this table, you can keep track of your gaming habits, see how much time you're spending, and monitor your progress through each game. Now, this next step is optional, but can be pretty handy. Notion allows you to add custom properties to your table. If you click on the Properties button, you can add a checkbox for completed games, a date for when you started each game, or even a drop-down list for game genre. This gives you even more control over your tracking and allows you to sort and filter your data in a variety of ways. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Notion will automatically save your progress as you work, but it's always good to click that Save button just to be sure. And that's it. Using Notion to track your video game progress is that simple. Now you can monitor your gaming habits, stay organized, and always know where you're at in each game. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.